With millions of people competing for the top spots in Google, how do you stand out? Well, in order to increase your visibility online, you need to learn SEO, search engine optimization. It's the tactics we use to better optimize our website so that Google and other search engines can increase your rankings. And higher rankings means higher traffic to your website. So how do you do SEO? Well, unfortunately, SEO is complex and ever-changing, which is why if you're looking for easy answers online, you're not really learning from the experts. That's why at SEOtraining.com we have built the gold standard in SEO training. Presented by world-renowned expert and the father of SEO himself, Bruce Clay, this training experience provides you with over 15 hours of SEO depth and training materials. As a member, you'll be able to watch the training experience at your own pace just like this.
The number one largest contributor is generating traffic and leads from the web. And the search engines actually contribute most to that.
So as you can see, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the training course, as you get 12 different sections covering multiple SEO topics. And each section is broken down into multiple subsection of videos, including a Q&A with Bruce reviewing the lesson, so you can easily digest all of the content.
Why did you feel the need to really drive this point home, right at the beginning with people?
It seems as if part of the job is also to convince management of the importance of SEO.
But this is not all that is offered at SEOtraining.com. No. This is a membership program that is designed to be an ongoing learning experience just like SEO itself. You'll also have access to tons of other SEO resources, including our Ask Us Anything series. As a member, you get to submit your questions to our SEO experts, and we produce a quick 1 to 2 minute video answering selected questions. Siloing your website helps you understand the theme structure and topic hierarchy within your website. But if you prefer to have your SEO questions answered directly, we also offer one of our favorite resources to our members, and that's our live Q&A calls with Bruce Clay. Each month, we hold a 1-hour live call with Bruce and take in SEO questions from our members. It's a great way to speak with the father of SEO directly and get the answers you need most.
According to Google, and this is John Mueller's statement, half of all of your page content activity should be spent refreshing your existing pages.
We also provide another series of videos, and that's what we call our mini courses. These are longer videos, but they are condensed presentations to provide an overview of a particular SEO topic and allows you to get a better grasp on some of the important aspects involved in each one.
Hi, I'm Bruce Clay. I've been doing SEO for over 23 years. I've spoken at over 300 conference sessions. I have written 3 books, and we have offices on 5 continents. I actually qualify as the father of SEO if you do a Google search.
Another great resource is our Playbook Library, which is our ebooks on various SEO topics. We cover these topics with an extensive review from our SEO team of experts, and is a great value if you prefer written content over video content. So one of the best features in the program is access to our tools. We have an SEO tool set that comes with a lot of cool features to help you on your SEO project. Now, to be clear, the tool set is a separate resource that requires a separate login from the membership program, but you can use it for free if you are a member, and there are instructions on how to access it. And finally, we have a discussion forum for members to post on a topic of their choice and discuss with other members in the program. So as you can see, there are many resources available to you in the training program, and there's a lot more content being added every month. At SEOtraining.com, we set out to build a training experience that allows you to continue learning and gain confidence in SEO, and not just taking one course. We believe that our training experience will prepare you to effectively increase your website's visibility for the long term. So if that's something you want for your company, your business, or your website, be sure to head over to SEOtraining.com and sign up today to learn from the experts.